hello to all of our IDS Magazine viewers. I'm Jillian, and I'm excited to take you around the ISC West show here in fabulous Las Vegas. Let's go check it out.
This episode is sponsored by Aira, a leading provider of AI facial recognition and environment-specific solutions.
Hello, IDS Magazine viewers. Thanks for joining us. We are with Access Communications today, and I'm joined by Steve Jussaume. Yes, Steve Jussaume, and he's going to walk us through some interesting new products here at ISC. Thanks.
Great, no problem. Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to speak with this magazine, this publication. So IDS Magazine, it's a great magazine. We appreciate everything you do. So I'm happy to introduce you to some of the latest product innovations from Access Communications. So here at ISC West, we're showcasing some of our latest products like our P1486 Global Shutter camera. This is a new solution from us. It's designed to be able to capture video with very low motion blur, with also a focus on license plate recognition, introducing pulsed IR illumination. We also have another one of our latest innovations. This is the P34 camera that has the ability to do PTRZ. PTRZ is a really exciting technology that allows an integrator to install a camera and remotely adjust the field of view. We're also introducing some of our latest deep learning cameras. This is our deep learning fisheye camera that's utilizing RPEC 9, which is also allowing for AV1 compression technology. If you're not familiar with AV1, it's a very exciting compression algorithm that can save up to 40% on bandwidth and storage. We also have another one of our cameras. This is a very popular bullet camera. This camera, as well as our new mini dome, have a new and exciting installation wizard leveraging our Bluetooth technology that allows our installation integrators to install a camera and then use our free mobile app to remotely adjust the field of view. And of course, we have another exciting product that is our latest addition to our what we call a mousetrap camera that allows for a seamless installation into a ceiling for a very discreet use case. And actually, if you look right over there, we have a new product that is related to private 5G. Private 5G is an up-and-coming technology allowing end customers to get seamless throughput, low latency, and high security all over cellular technology that can go meters to miles. So a lot coming from Access Communications.
Thank you so much, Stephen, for that. Again, if you guys have questions, comment below and we'll get you in touch with them to answer all of your questions. I'm Jillian. We'll see you at the next segment. Bye.